Hello, everyone. Welcome to integrate customer experiences across commerce, marketing, and service clouds. I'm not seeing the slides. There we go. All right, welcome. My name is Jonathan Langevin. I'm a senior solution architect with Commerce Cloud Center of Excellence team. So, as usual, anything that's mentioned in the slide deck, don't use this to make your purchasing decisions. Forward-looking statements should be just that, as forward-looking advice, but it's not purchasing decision. So, who here's heard about Salesforce Commerce Cloud? Good night, you. So, Commerce Cloud is the world's #1 enterprise cloud commerce platform. We have comprehensive digital commerce across mobile, web, social, and store. We have intelligent experiences with Einstein. You can personalize shopping and empower your teams with artificial intelligence. We have an extensive partner ecosystem with over 200 certified partner integrations. A little bit about the Commerce Cloud development platform. We have multi-site architecture, JavaScript open standards, RESTful APIs, debugging and testing tools, and data model customization. With multi-site architecture, you can support multiple brands with multiple geographies with a shared code base, shared processes, and a shared master catalog. So you can make changes that are shared across all of your sites, or you can split up your code base changes and only affect individual sites based on how you build out your code base. It's very flexible. With the open standards, we have JavaScript engine embedded with Mozilla Rhino on the server side. So it's server-side executed JavaScript, which supports ECMAScript 5, JavaScript 1.8, and E4X, which is working with XML and JavaScript. The fact that Commerce Cloud is built with JavaScript in the back end means that any of your developers that are already experienced with JavaScript can make a transition into the platform very comfortably. With our RESTful APIs, we have Open Commerce API. Open Commerce API gives you full access to our backend system. It's very extensible. You can add in custom hooks, custom functionality, extend the functionality however you need. Oftentimes, the API is used if someone wants to build a custom mobile app that is empowered by the Commerce Platform API. So you can have a fully customized experience for your customers that's still using the same code base that's in the storefront. With debugging and testing, we have built-in debugging protocol. We provide a plugin that works with Eclipse for anyone that likes using Eclipse as your IDE. You can also, we also have an API available for debugging so that our community themselves have built out a number of plugins for other IDEs, such as JetBrains-based IDEs like IntelliJ, so they can have debugging support built in to whatever IDE is your choice. You can also easily extend any existing data types with new fields. So any of the data types that power our platform, such as the order model, customer model, product information, you can extend all of those data types easily. You can add new data types. We have custom objects you can build, so you have fully custom information you can store for your own custom code. So if you wanted to track extra information about a cart session, you can create a totally separate custom object and then create your own unique ID to link back to maybe a customer identifier and whatever else information you might want to put in there. And of course, data types can also be specified as multilingual, so you can optionally support multilingual data types within your custom objects or your custom fields. So we've spoken about the major development features of our development environment. It's been about 2 years since we joined Salesforce. So we've been making some progress on integrating further with Salesforce's other clouds, such as Service Cloud. So Service Cloud, we've built out with Service Cloud the ability to have a customer data sync, an order data sync, so that all the customer and ordered information that you have in Commerce Cloud can be sent over to Service Cloud easily. We also have case management and order on behalf of. So case management, if a customer goes to your storefront and is requesting information from your team, a case can be created automatically for you with your CSRs in Service Desk so that your agents can see that the new contact case has come in. If the customer is logged in, they see who the case is associated with. And then we also have, of course, the order on behalf of, where agents can then order on behalf of a registered customer. So if a customer is on your storefront, they contact your customer service agents. The agent can actually take over the customer's browser session, basket session, be able to add more products to their cart and help them with their checkout process. So another one of the clouds that we've worked to integrate with is Marketing Cloud. So with Marketing Cloud integration, we support transactional emails, which are trigger-based emails such as account creation, new password, order confirmation, etc. We have analytical tracking support, which can then enable your behavioral emails. You can create journeys in Marketing Cloud to automate emails based on your abandoned cart session, abandoned browse, abandoned search, etc. We also have data synchronization so that you can have a single view of your customer catalog, content, promotions, and order information that's being sent from Commerce Cloud to Marketing Cloud. And then you can also allow your customers to manage their marketing preferences. So the customer can then opt in or opt out of subscribing to Marketing Cloud mailing lists. They also manage their individual mailing list preferences, so they can, if you perhaps have mailing lists for a certain type of shirt, mailing list for a customer who wants to find out about sporting apparel, the customer can specify, filter down what mailing list they want to actually subscribe to. This is all empowered with Marketing Cloud's APIs, so it's pretty much driven by the information that's on Marketing Cloud's side. So I want to show you a demo here. It's a demo of how our brand, Northern Trail Outfitters, unifies the shopper journey using Marketing Cloud and Service Cloud. So let me introduce you to our shopper, Michelle. Michelle loves to hike. As our shopper begins her research on nationalgeographic.com for her next hiking location, we can reach her with a targeted ad for 20% off women's jackets and hiking gear. Michelle likes the ad, so she's going to go ahead and click through into Northern Trail Outfitters, where she is prompted with a promotional offer for entering her email address. As she's browsing on the site, she sees products personalized just for her. She searches for a sleeping bag and notices the advanced type ahead search recommendations. She likes the super light sleeping bag, so she's going to click through where she's going to see the Einstein-powered product recommendations. She goes ahead and she adds a sleeping bag to her cart and creates the account on her way to checkout. But she gets interrupted during the checkout process, and she ends up abandoning her cart. So using the Commerce Cloud connector, thankfully this is not a lost sale. Northern Trail Outfitters uses Marketing Cloud Journey Builder and the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, which is available today, to re-engage with our customers, with shoppers on the right channel. Marketing Cloud Journey Builder empowers marketing with engagement splits and decision splits that allow the customer to move through different paths based on their behavior. You can test different types of channels and different messages to see which performs the best. Journeys contain entry events like the abandoned cart event you see here, activities like these high and low value emails, and flow control, where Northern Trail Outfitter guides customers to different messages and channels in hopes of driving engagement and conversions. But these journeys just don't have to be related to abandoned cart. They could be the result of a service interaction or a recent case. So once our journey is set up, Northern Trail Outfitters can activate that journey. So let's check back in with our shopper and see what happens next. Our shopper is going to get targeted with an abandoned cart notification. So on the left, you can see the customer behavior. Notice we have the product she was looking for and an option to return directly to her cart. She clicks through on the return to cart link, but she's not quite sure she's ready to buy. She wants to make sure that is the right bag for her coming trip, so she initiates a live chat with an agent. You can see her opening up a live chat with the agent. On the right side, you'll see the agent responding. The agent is able to easily pick up her incoming chat from the Lightning Service console and knows her customer information immediately displays on the screen. As she asks her question, the agent can launch her shopping cart and see all the rich personalization and promotional offers relevant just for Michelle, as well as product recommendations. The agent can make a recommendation and even update the cart on behalf of our shopper. The agent updates her shopper's cart and she checks out securely using Apple Pay. So with our product recommendations are powered by Einstein. So the recommendations should show up at the bottom of the PDP page. Those are actually tailored to that customer based on that customer's behavior, browsing behavior on the site in the past. Now, as you can see, this is a fairly seamless process for the agent. So they're able to deal with whatever the customer's needs are. So a few days later, she's checking the weather at one of her favorite camping locations in Bodega Bay. She thinks that would be a perfect spot for her next camping trip. She also gets an order confirmation email letting her know that her order is confirmed. But it'd be so much easier if she could get a sleeping bag shipped to her friend's house in Bodega Bay. She goes back to chat and asks the agent to update her order. Directly from a customer record, the agent can see the order status as well as the order allocation status. Some orders are closed, some are waiting fulfillment, and some are waiting allocation. Fortunately, this item has not yet been allocated, and it's easy for our service agent to update the shipping location. So the agent goes ahead and makes a change. And our shopper receives the shipping confirmation email with tracking information. So that's just a short demo of how you can integrate Commerce Cloud with Marketing Cloud and Service Cloud. If you want to find out more information about Commerce Cloud, you can visit our Commerce Cloud booth in Developer Forest, where we have developers and architects available to talk to you. You can visit the Commerce Cloud trail on Trailhead, or learn more about Commerce Cloud itself at developer.salesforce.com/commercecloud. One thing, if you want to learn more about Commerce Cloud for your business teams, you can speak to your account teams to schedule a demo to go through more details of what Commerce Cloud can provide for you and how you can get started with our platform. Are there any questions about Commerce Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Service Cloud, or the connectors? No? All right. Well, appreciate everybody coming today. Thank you for your time. And hope you have a great rest of the conference.